She didn't say anything about a boyfriend. Like, how was I supposed to know? You want to fight me right now? I'm literally right outside the university library. Hey, you gonna be here for a while?
Yeah.
I'm wearing a white shirt, blue pants, and I'm listening to music. Yeah, come fight me. I'll send you my current location right now. Jesus. Yo, man, you sleeping with my girl?
What?
Sleeping with my girl, man?
Your girl? Who's your girl?
Who's your girl? Take those head rods off. Come on, man. I was just on the phone with you. You're wearing a white shirt and jeans and...
Nah, bro.
Nah,
you got it all wrong,
man. You trying to fight? Talk a big talk?
Hey, there's another... Hey, wait up. There's another cat over here. No,
there's another cat over here. Show me. Show me. Where's he at? Where's he at? Nah, I know your voice, man. That's you.
Oh.
It's you. You talk a big talk. You sleep with my girl. She's pregnant, dude.
Bro, I don't even know your girl.
You don't know my girl?
You haven't given me a name.
Sandra.
Sandra. I ain't know no Sandra, bro.
You don't know Sandra. Come on, man. Come on, jump.
What's the man right there on the phone?
Come on.
I'm the man.
He was on the phone right there.
You could have set me up like that.
I walked over right there on my way to class. I heard him talking about trying to fight somebody.
Really?
Yeah,
That's all I heard.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
I did.
What are you gonna do about it, Chris?
Okay. No, dude, we're just messing around. There's a cameraman, we're just messing around with you. There's a cameraman right there.
Oh my gosh.
Why are you mad at me? Be mad at her. I didn't know she had a boyfriend. She didn't tell me anything. I don't even know who you are. You're trying to fight me? I'm in the middle of campus laying on the grass right now. Well, yeah, come find me. I'll send you my current location right now. I'm wearing green shoes. I have a gray hoodie on, and I'm just laying on the grass on my phone. Hey, yo, you don't want to sleep with my girl? Yeah, that's you. You want to fight? Yeah, UC Irvine hoodie? That's you. You were just on the phone with me.
No, actually,
What's up, guy?
got a problem?
Yeah, what's the deal?
This is, there was some guy here, he was talking on the phone, and he said that...
This guy?
No, not him, it was a
Not
guy.
this guy?
I actually heard him, he was on the phone, I'm somebody else, I don't know.
Sounds like
man,
you're
I don't buy
describing
it.
Yeah.
yourself,
I don't buy it,
man. I
man.
don't know.
He was describing me, but he walked away. And he went,
Nah, but how do you know my girlfriend, though?
I don't know any.
She's pregnant, dude.
I have no idea who you are.
Come on, man. Now you ain't trying to fight because we're bigger than you. Come on, let's run back here. It's a prank.
I'm so sorry to put you through.
Oh man. What am I wearing? I'm wearing a green shirt, and I'm on my laptop. And I got my glasses on. Come find me. I'll send you my current location right now. You don't want to sleep with my girl?
No, man.
I was just on the phone with you, man. I see you in the green shirt, everything. Nah, you just described what you're right outside the library.
Yeah, man,
Today's your lucky day. You try to fight? Nah, you try to fight. You try to fight. Oh yeah.
Do you want to see my phone?
Nah, I was just on the phone. You can delete. I know how to delete calls. Nah, man. Come on, man.
My ID. My name is. I'm a graduate. That's exactly the guy that she.
I know that voice. Was that not the same voice? Same exact voice.
My name is. I'm a graduate student. I had nothing to do.
What does that matter?
Just because you got a little bit of money, you think you can sleep with my girlfriend? You got a nice laptop.
I am from Puerto Rico.
Exactly. So you don't think the rules apply to you because you're foreign? Why are you mad at me? You should be mad at her. You want to fight me now? Oh, today's your lucky day. I'm leaning against a flagpole. I got my glasses on and I got my gray khakis on too. And I'm chilling on my phone. Gray flagpole. Come find me. I'll send you my current location. Jesus. Yo, you don't want to sleep with my girlfriend? I was just on the phone with you. Nah, I know your voice.
I don't think so. Or you got the wrong guy, but
Nah, glasses, everything. You can't be blaming it on random people.
Yeah, I think he described me so that you would come over my
I come up to you, now I feel like...
I don't know, you're acting all tough on the
Unless
phone and now
their
you're
Yeah.
girlfriend slept with someone in their 50s.
Hey, are you gonna be here for a while?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm wearing a pink shirt. I'm on my laptop. I got my ear pods in. Yeah, come fight me. Ridiculous. Is this him? You don't want to sleep? You don't want to sleep with my girl? Pink shirt?
That's the guy.
Nah, that's the voice I know. I just saw you on the phone.
Huh?
Say you're gonna fight us?
Yeah, I'm listening to my own song. That's the guy.
No, dude, just because you got a little bit of money, you think you can sleep with my girl like that? Yeah, because we can take it outside if you want.
Check my last call history.
Nah, you deleted that? Yeah, I just saw you trying to blame it on random people. Who you say? Trying to blame it on a girl?
That's the guy you want to.
That's the guy. That's him?
This is the guy.
with the pink shirt. Just know.
That's a fact.
He
Nah. I'm just chilling with my friend right here. Fine, okay, you want a piece of me? Okay, I'll send you my current location right now. Hey, are you gonna be here for a while? You are? There's this like a skinny kid. Thinks I like slept with his girlfriend or whatever. Like he's gonna come right now and try to beat me up. He got my back. Like just.
I'm not gonna fight, but you know.
For sure. It's on her. Like I had no idea she had a boyfriend. Like.
Hey,
Oh
which one of you sleeping with my girl?
What?
Think you sleep with my girl and fucking bitch her?
I'm on your guys' side. I don't even know who this guy is. I just walked over here. That was
So it was him.
We pulled up.
It was, yeah.
It was him on the phone?
You guys brothers?
I'm wearing some blue jeans and I got a blue long sleeve shirt on. And I'm wearing glasses. Yeah, okay. Come find me. I'll send you my current location. Bye.
Hey, man.
Hey, which one of you guys sleep with my girl? Which one of you two? I just saw you on the phone.
Oh.
Blue long sleeve, jeans, say you want to fight me, and then like I show up here, you guys acting like you don't know me. That's the voice I know. That's the voice I know. I just talked to you. I just talked to you on the phone. I just talked to you on the phone. You said come meet me at the bus stop, and I'm here. Now you're not trying to fight me? Just because you're like good looking and all that crap, you think you can steal my girlfriend away from me? What do you guys want to do about it? Are you guys gonna stop talking to her or what? Because now she probably wants to date you now. Like, dude, come on, man. Like, you're on my side here, right?
He knows what went on.
Yeah, he knows what happened. Dude, we're just talking around, dude. He's my twin and everything. I'm sorry to put you guys through that. Have a good day, guys.
So that's gonna be it for this week's video. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like. Also subscribe because we're very, very close to 3 million subscribers and we do post every single Sunday. With that being said, we'll see you guys next Sunday.